Hi everyone, in this video I'm making a chatterbox. I'll begin by just pinching the center, making an X marks the spot so I know where I'm going to be folding my corners into. Now I'll fold all the corners in towards the center. So now I'll flip the paper over and I'll fold these corners in as well. At this point, I'll then fold the model in half like this. And you can see there's little flaps there. And I'll show you how you tuck your fingers in so you can make your chatterbox speak as such. You can also open up these little flaps too. Hi, it's Isabella from Bizzi Art. This is my baby Tiana. She likes to watch me doing my origami every so often. Say hi. If you enjoyed this video or you want to learn more about origami, or even if you're looking for origami paper to add to your library at home, come check out my website. I've put it in the link in the description down below. I am now selling some of my products on Amazon. Yay! Anyway, happy folding and enjoy your origami. Bye.